Is that yummy, Finley? Can you use your spoon again? Say, what's that spoon for? Is that good? Say, this is great, Mom. You like the spoon? Can you use it some more? Huh? You're a mess, Finley. No, use this spoon. Use this spoon. Doodle. Looky there. Chocolate on your fingers. Ooh, is that yummy? Chocolate pudding time. There you go. Use the spoon. Oh, now time for a drink. Finley. Finley. Who's that? Say, Dada, look at me. Look at me. Finley, can you say bye-bye?